Hey everyone! So, we're in Siquijor today. We just got here and kaka-check-in lang din namin sa room. And we're in Bermuda Triangle in San Juan. Maganda yung place actually, pero walang beach na access or like there's no pool, but super nice ng rooms. And I will take you guys on a tour sa room namin for you guys to see and check it out if you want to try to go here as well. Let's enter our room. From side. Yan, pagpasok nyo, it's the bed already. Very princess na island girl. Very Barbie. Ganda ng bed niya actually, and it's so spacious. Like, if for two, kasya-kasya kayo, pwede nga if five eh. Pero yan, may bedside table for both sides. Tapos, ayan, all throughout the room, ganun yung aesthetic, mga kahoy-kahoy, we love that. It's very Instagrammable. And, ayun pa sa lang welcome dito. Hi guys, welcome. So, yeah, they have a Wi-Fi, and so far, so good. Yung Wi-Fi nila is quick and fast, and wala pang masabi. Wala naman akong issues sa Wi-Fi nila. If you're a fan of like selfie moments, ayan, may very big mirror here. Ang ganda. Very Instagrammable talaga to na room, and I love it. And we just booked this in Agoda, and sobrang clutch time talaga nung pag-book namin, and thankfully meron pa ring available room and we were able to get it, and I'm so happy and it's so nice. So now let's go to the bathroom. Ito talaga yung pinaka na-excite ako when I saw it. Let's see. Check nyo na lang for yourselves, guys. Sobrang aesthetic niya. And another mirror. If gusto mo mag-take ng shots, like, ganyan. And then, look! Oh my gosh! It's an open shower. Very island vibe. I love it. And, yan, let's go near. Yan. Yan yung shower nila. Yan. Ang ganda talaga. So, highly recommend if you're gonna stay in Siquijor. This room is super nice. For today, here's my look. Very colorful ang ate nyo. Naka-crochet lang ako na hat. From SM lang to. Napadaan lang ako. Tapos sabi ko, ay, very cute to. So, ginat ko na siya. And then, yung necklace ko, this is from Russet Accessories. They're on IG. But, pumunta sila sa Cebu one time. And then, pumunta rin talaga ako just to get one. And I really loved it. Lagi ko siyang suot kapag nasa beach trip.
food nila. Parang hindi healthy, pero healthy talaga. Good morning, everyone! It's our day 2 in Siquijor today, and I'm just fixing. It's currently, oras na, 7:57, and nagwe-wait lang kami kasi may tour kami today. Mountain tour yung kinuha namin kasi kahapon. We already went to Paliton Beach, and then nagpunta din kami sa Pitogo Cliff. And today we just want to explore more of I think we're gonna go to the falls, I think Lugnason, and then yung bucafe, which is very famous here in Siquijor. So, yun lang.
Minimum niya dito nga donation 1,000. Pagbalik na ito, pwede ko. Ikas na. O na may number po na kasawag dito doon. Ay, mga ano na sa isa.
Ang cute kasi nagkakaroon ako ng bangs. And parang cool talaga yung hair ko. Na natural. Yeah. Hi! So, we're off to our tour. O, diba? Nag-add pa ako ng mga accessories ko, girl. Say hi! Alis na kami. See you guys kung saan kami pupunta.